welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be doing a music video reaction, another song which has been highly requested for a reaction. This is Padayatra by Job Korean. Now I am seeing at the thumbnail the other guy that I recognize is Harish from the band Agam, and the other person I'm guessing is Job Korean. So this is really nice, and again it's from Kappa TV. This channel is now becoming like my favorite when it comes to band songs. So without dealing this any further, always so happy to listen to new songs. Let's start the reaction. Alright, Padayatra. And look at the credits after at the end, whoever is on the instruments. Alright, let's start, guys. Ah. Wow. You can hear background noise, so it's live, of course. Wow. Oh! Nice beat! Composed by Job Korean. Okay. Yeah. Watching Music Mojo. Amazing.
അരിവുകളാലേ പൂമഴ പോലെ മണ്ണിൽ നീലനിലാവിൻ പൊന്നലയാലേ നാദലയങ്ങൾ കാലം അറിവുകളാലേ അരിവുകളാലേ
You can't help but dance. Harish is amazing. Awesome. I want to see the credits. I want to see the credits. Wait. Oh my god. You know what? You know what? Before watching the credits, the ending done by Harish is just beautiful. It's beautiful. So I want to listen to that part again. Harish is amazing. Even Job Korean really like his voice. But I don't know. I know this is Job Korean's composed song. But I think the last part, Harish just completely snatched my wig away. Completely. Beautiful. This was amazing. This I think completely. This was the highlight for me at the end. Okay, wow, I completely agree with you guys. A lot of you told me I'm gonna love this song, and I absolutely love it. And there are various reasons for that. Number one is the beats. The first and foremost, the song itself is so catchy. It's just tongue to tongue. The style of the song is beautiful. You cannot help but jam to this song. It'll make you move automatically. Even if you're sitting, you're gonna end up doing this. Your shoulders are gonna start moving. Your feet is going to tap. So the first thing I loved is the tal of the song. Second, let me now open the credits. My god. Amazing. Veena. Yes, the second is the Veena, the lady who was playing the Veena. Nisha Ponni. She was amazing. I loved it. It just added so much layer to the entire song. Vocals of both Job Korean and Harish. Now I know of Harish's vocal prowess. First time have I listened to Job Korean? I'm sure he does playback also. Any song that of any movie that I've watched has a Job Korean song, let me know. His vocals are also amazing. But I think for me, probably I'll listen to more of Job Korean, I'll understand his vocal range as well. But somehow Harish, it was featuring Harish, but somehow Harish stole the show for me here. Composed by Job Korean. What a song you have made. Just made me so happy. I don't know, I feel more energized right now after listening to this song. It was beautiful. Everybody on the instruments I absolutely loved. Everyone, all of them. For me though, the Veena was a standout, of course. And yeah guys, that was my reaction to Padayatra by Job Korean featuring Harish. Music Mojo is becoming now my favorite show on this channel, Kappa TV. Probably end up, I want to explore more of songs which are being performed here, because I don't know, something about Kappa TV's Music Mojo is my affinity towards this thing has increased for some reason, because I think because I've reacted to so many of songs from Kappa TV, and every time whatever I've reacted to just ends up becoming a favorite of mine, and I keep listening to it again and again. I love it. Snehitane, I don't know how many times I've listened to that song now. It's so beautiful. So yeah, this was Padayatra by Job Korean. Do suggest me more of amazing songs by all the bands until now that I have reacted to one by one. I will definitely get into everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I loved this song. It was amazing. The beats are just amazing of this song. So guys, that's it from me today, and I hope you've come till the end and enjoyed this video. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.